Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Shein app, and here it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just go into the me menu, tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, and then tap on manage my account, and then tap on delete account, and here we can tap on apply to delete account again to continue the process, and then our account is going to be removed. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.